Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to record Google Meet video call on laptop or PC. So just go to the Google Meet here, go and click on new call and click on start meeting, right, instant one. And here if you're just recording something or basically you are doing some kind of calls here. So let me turn off my video section here. Now on the left bottom side you will see the activities. In some cases you can find here video recording option, or if you're not able to find it here, click on the three dots and you will get this option of recording unavailable. So this is unavailable because you have to pay the premium subscription for the Google Meet. So you have to buy a subscription just like how you buy it for Zoom calls, right? So by the way, I will show you a different option. If you don't have this, I can show you for free. Now click on the three horizontal lines and basically you have to go for Chrome Web Store. So here just write Chrome Web Store and you will be redirected here. Now you can just write here Google Meet video recorder and you will get this. Now you can just install this one or you can install any different one. Now here you will get this, click on add to Brave. Now go and click on add extension here. It's take a little bit of time to get installed. As you can see here, it's got installed here. Now please enter your organization name. So I will just write here ABC. That's it, just to name it, right? Organization saved here. Now when I just go back to this, right, I will make sure I will pin this up. So let's pin here. Now click on this extension. Now this extension will it will zoom out. By the way, if this is not working in some cases, right, it's not compatible to every browser, so you can just use a normal one. So you can use this Screencastify and click on add to Brave. If you're using a Chrome browser, that's fine. Now you have to do the same thing. Automatically it will get installed here. Make sure you pin this up just like, okay, so this one is this. And now you can just go to the Google Meet here, click on it, and here you just need to sign into this Screencastify here. You can use a Google account to do it instantly. Again, click on here. I will just use my Google account to do it really fast. Click on continue. Click on here. Again, click on continue. Right, so it will load for a few seconds. Just wait. Now here you have to select, so let's say I'm a student here. I will just click on create an account and all my videos which I will record will be shown here, right? So now I can just come back to here, click on it, and here as you can see, let me just minimize this. Now come back to Google Meet and I want to record only this tab. If you want to record completely full screen, so full screen, it means it will record each and everything on your tab here. So I will select only my tab. If you want to record your voice as well as your face and everything, so you can set it up and count down, so it will count for 3 seconds. You can change it up and click on record. If you want to show drawing recordings, you can do this. If you want to record webcam, you can also do this. Now click on record. Now as you can see here, the countdown is on and it is the recording has been started. You can see here, you can drag this up, you can pause it, you can write here in the pencil whatever you want, right? You can do a lot of stuffs here and it will saved in recording, not on nobody will able to see other than you. Once the recording is done, just go and click on resume. Now here end recording, and here in the Castify it will be shown. So automatically you will be redirected to a new page once the recording is done here. Now as you can see here, our recording is here, right? And I can just edit this up. Okay, let me minimize and I can just download this video and I can turn this up. I can even edit this up, right? So this is how you can do this. I hope you found this video useful. Subscribe.